Pass. I used to follow your videos, and I want to specifically thank you for your video on this beta 10 beta cola stuff. I followed it and I administered it as you directed. God will bless you, my sister. What I want to tell you is that since 2020 or thereabout, I've been, if I meet a woman without a condom, my dear, I will see blister in my bola. So if I go to test, they will lab for urine culture and sensitivity test. It will read staph, moderate or scanty growth or very heavy growth of staph seen. But I will go on medication, take injection for 6 days. Sometimes 7 days as directed. If I don't take that 10 days or 5 days, I will swallow antibiotics and so on. Then I will go back for confirmation test, and it will clear. Then if I go again, whatever, the thing will repeat itself. At times blister will not come, but even though I enter the person today and go for test in 2 days time, my sister, I will see staph seen, moderate growth, scanty growth of staph seen. I will start medication. If I have not spent money treating this thing in the pharmacy and so on, but I used to go to lab, it has been, I spent over 100,000, what's 100,000, 150,000 since then, because at times the treatment will take me, a single treatment will take me, minimum is 7,000, excluding the money for lab. But after that thing, even the same person I've been meeting, even the person has gone to treat them, my dear, as I started taking that your prescription, if I go with that CD, I said, okay, because I've been using it, I said, okay, let me go with that CD, and I will take it for as you directed. I returned to lab. I went to lab last month as at July. Nothing. After 48, the result is after 48 hours of incubation, no bacteria found. On Friday again, is it a Thursday of this week, I dropped my sample. The same thing repeated itself, even when at least I've gone without protection as a condom for like 2-3 times this month. My dear, that same lab is still the same lab I used to go before. That is now no bacteria found, no bacteria. Thank you very much. Thank you. God will bless you. God will bless you. The mixture itself is not even up to 1,000 naira. Okay, with the water, maybe 1. You see, you have been doing marvelously well. Thank you. I appreciate you. Honestly, I said I will not testify till I visit lab 2 times to confirm it. And not only visiting lab, I have been going without even protection. So I will go twice, and that I've done. I can equally send you the lab result. Though I'm yet to collect this recent lab result because the I wasn't there, but I looked at the notebook and saw the report. He's yet to put it up.
This
Maybe
is
when you
the
put it, I will
herbal
send the
medicine
2 lab
I
results to you
prepared
for
that day.
confirmation.
So today is the
It's no longer
third
the same
day
thing I've
we
suffered
take
for
prepare
4
am.
years now.
If you dey suffer any
Please, and
kind of
thank you. And
infection,
I appreciate.
okay, now no say I
Thank
tell
you, my
una
dear.
say this one
Thank
no
you very
before
much.
urinary tract infection. Now the infection will be say you carry through fertilization, through kerewa. Now this one they good for. So you can go and watch the full video so that you will know. I think I have 4 ingredients here. You can go and watch the full video. So after 3 days, you are going to remove it. So that's why I said, let me do it again. You're going to remove it from this plastic so that you go throw away all the things with the inside. You go sieve them out. You are going to be taking 3 tablespoons morning, afternoon, and evening. And if you take them like that, you see say it no work, you go increase them to 2. That is if the symptom not subside. Okay, most especially maybe if you don't first use antibiotics to treat that sickness. So, and you want to use this one again, then you are going to use 2 after you don't use them for like 3-4 days. The symptom not subside, so you are going to change to 2. But if na a reoccurring one, will be say you don't fair treat them before, maybe 1, 2, 3, it still come back again, then you will just start with 2 tablespoons a day. It is very, very effective. 2 tablespoons 3 times a day. Go and try it. You'll come and testify. I will see you all again on my next one. Bye.